All right, so our first attempt at the Kalamazoo River here in 2022. It's February and 45-degree day today. We've got rain coming later today, and then switching to ice and then snow overnight. Lots of snow, so we decided to come out and try it. And couldn't try the first spot off the point because of the bit of an ice shelf right there by it. So we're staying here at the culvert. Give this a shot with a ripping ramp. See how we do. Here's some footage from last year. I didn't take much. I didn't fish much last year. First fish. What do you think, huh? What do you think? When I did come, I didn't do very good. Reports from a couple other guys that I talked to that fish here didn't do very good last year either. Water was low most of the year, especially in the spring, which usually kind of brings the fish in, but it was low, and so they never really kind of showed up. But hopefully this year will be better, and we'll have a little bit more time to come out here and try it. Nice largemouth. There he is. He's not nearly as big as I thought. There we go. First nice small. On the Strike King 1.5, fishing under the bridge. There we go. That's decent. 15-inch smallmouth. He fell off, but we got him. Another little guy. So 2 smallies. This time I had to throw the Ned rig. I broke off the crankbait, broke off the spinner bait, or a Cinco right away on a bite. Threw on the Ned rig and got this one right away. All right, smallie number 3. Well, not a very exciting start so far to 2022. No fish catches, first try. But we'll try again. Stay tuned.